start with the match yesterday. How do you feel about the 1-1 draw against the United States?
To be honest, performance-wise, it was a good performance from the team. Together, the intensity was there, attitude of the guys was good, and we had a game plan and we stuck with it.
Are you disappointed that you never achieved the result of winning?
Most definitely, because I think we played good enough to get the 3 points, and as I saw there's a goal disallowed, I just saw the replay and didn't look like a foul to me, but refs make bad decisions all the time, so I have to just deal with it.
What do you think about the referee performance? Not just on the goal, but the penalty that Jamaica could have had as well.
So me as a man, I never really pay attention to referees because when they make them decisions, sometimes it cannot be overturned. It wasn't the best game from him, but it's what it is.
Talk about one of your teammates, Mikel Antonio's impact on the team. 2 goals in 2 games. How positive has his impact been on the team?
Yeah, man, in presence was definitely needed. You can definitely see and feel his experience. You see the 2 goals, 2 big goals for us. So give thanks, man.
We know that we have a lot of quality, not just Antonio, you, Ravel, Bailey. The list goes on. Why is it that we can translate that quality to wins? What's your opinion on that?
I feel like the more you say a consistent lineup and a consistent group of players, I think the sooner we get that, the sooner we start getting some more wins.
Okay. Has the public perception around whether the head coach should be relieved of his duties affected the team negatively in any way?
Not at all. Most of us don't even see it, but it doesn't affect us at all.
So there's full confidence behind it, not just the coaching staff, but everybody within.
Most definitely, we have to have it. We have no choice. We have 6 games remaining, so we have to trust everybody that's a part of the team right now.
You're seen as a passer within the team. Not many people have that quality. How important do you see yourself in that squad?
My job is pretty simple, just to make sure I'm supporting everywhere in the field, just to connect everything. So that's my job. Anyway, who has the ball, I'm trying to support. I'm trying to do my job. Take the ball and pass the ball, and support wherever I can.
Does the lack of position for Jamaica affect that? Because you like to pass the ball, but we're not known to be possession based. Do you think that affects your performance?
Yes, it does sometimes. Because as you just said, I'm a passer, so I like the short game. I like the short passes, the 1 and 2 touches. Sometimes we don't do it, but I think we're doing it more than before actually. So give thanks for that.
Many persons, including myself, believe, as we were talking about before, that you deserve to be played higher than USL. Do you believe that, and are there any possible moves in the future that would lead to that?
Yeah, I've been playing the USL for a couple of years now, and to be honest, I've shown myself and others that I should be playing at a higher level. I just got time in, man, and nothing impossible.
Your first season with Miami FC, made it to the playoffs. Describe the season, explain how it was in a new environment with the teammates.
Yeah, first season with the team, we had like maybe 13 to 15 new players, So it was hard to get everybody together as quick as possible, but we did towards the end of the season, and we got ourselves into the playoffs. The first time in Miami FC history, so it was a successful season in that sense.
Describe your relationship with the coach. He was just recently relieved of his duties. How was he with you, and how did he impact your play?
Yeah, personally, he gave me a lot of confidence. You can see and feel that he believed in me and allowed me to do what I do best. So I'm gonna really miss working with him.
You're not a stranger to winning championships, the USL championships. You won it 3 times with Louisville. When you think about where you're coming from and how hard you have worked, what do those achievements mean to you?
I don't really think about them too much because I'm still on the grind, I'm still working, so I don't really look back too much. But I probably should do it some more, and say, do some things I'm proud of myself, but I don't really look back too much.
Right. When you think about your role at Miami FC though, and your responsibilities in the Jamaican national team, are they similar or are they different?
Similar, very very similar. Basically the same thing, to be honest.
Last question. What do you have to say to the fans? I know we had like almost 5,000 yesterday.
Yeah.
Felt like more than 5,000. Their support. Talk about their support yesterday and talk about what you want from them going forward.
Yeah, yesterday definitely felt good. As you just said, it felt more than 4,000, to be honest. You know, it was good to have them and good to have them on our backs last night as well. They definitely pushed us, you know, and it felt good actually. We were sorry we couldn't get them that win, you know.
And will they be needed going forward? You know, hopefully we can get more than 5,000 in the next 4 home games. What do you think about that?
If we get some more fans in the rest of the games, then I think we'll see some favorable results.